How to deep clean your dishwasher. First, make sure your dishwasher is empty. Next, remove your dishwasher's filters. And look how nasty they are. Ugh, this is what catches any leftover food. So you want to empty and simply rinse off any debris under running warm water at least once a week. If you have more stuck on food, fill the sink or a bowl with warm soapy water and drop the filters in to soak for 10 plus minutes. If you still have food on the filters, use a soft brush or cloth on the mesh filters to remove any gunk. A rough sponge or wire brush can damage the filters. Once you've got those filters clean, set them off to the side. If the inside of your machine needs a good deep cleaning, you can sprinkle some baking soda on the floor of your machine and scrub it with a soft brush and some warm water. Making sure to wipe down the filter holder with warm water to remove any residue before putting the filters back in. Commonly forgot places is the sides of the machines, the seal itself, and the doors. When you're ready, return the filters to the machine. If you keep your silverware holder on the door, move it to the bottom rack so the door can also get cleaned. I then add a bottle of commercial grade dishwasher cleaner and run your dishwasher on the hottest and longest setting. When the machine has finished its cycle, recycle the cleaner bottle and enjoy a fresh, clean, and good smelling machine. Follow for more cleaning and home hacks. Products used linked in my Amazon shop in bio.